Husband tried to commit suicide by consuming poison after he stabbed his wife with a sharp object and left her bleeding in the forest. Husband's name is Falguna Debarma. Incident took place at Ganyamara Gamanthakur village area of Takarjala on Saturday. Terrifying incident took place at Takarjala Gamanthakur village area on Saturday. In the incident, husband tried to commit suicide by consuming poison after he stabbed his wife with a sharp object and left her bleeding in the forest. Husband's name is Falguna Debarma and the wife is Simriti Debarma. Falguna Debarma of Thakurpara area stabbed his wife Simriti Debarma on Saturday afternoon and threw her in the rubber garden forest. Later, he himself tried to commit a suicide by consuming poison. The TSR Jawan from 7th Battalion found the accused husband running around drinking poison and arrested him and informed the Takarjala police station and handed over the accused to the police. After receiving information about the incident, the police of Takarjala police station rescued the women in a bloody condition from the forest in Ganyamara Gamanthakurpara area and took her to Takarjala Primary Health Center, but later was referred to Agartala GB Hospital. Besides, the accused husband who tried to commit suicide by consuming poison was taken to Takarjala Primary Health Center by the police. But he was also referred to Agartala GB Hospital, said TSR 7 Battalion Nayak Subedar Surjit Riang and Takarjala police officer.
Actually, the Chini or Pai Boro Sapaka, the Bonizeno Sapaka, the Angani Big No Butaro Bolongoi Kai Tanoi, in Cape Pai or Sapaka, the Chin Campus Pai Sapaka, Bin Bigno Tanoi. Butari Kibikain, in Ketabu Tukatuya, Saimeko, in Ke Chungbu Sunga Tanao Zanoka, in Kebona Bobu Bichazak, in Ke Ustatsamani Sao, in Ketabu Songa PS in Borok Pai, in Ke Fire Service of Pai Bona, Lantafu.
Bukami Lemo.
In Ke Omoke, Gomon Takur Para, Gomon Bazar Hinjago, in Ke Omahino.
That's when the Bini Bihino Kutiano Hanoro.
Eh, Jungyako.
That was Habab Moonlight Goydon.
Tabok police plus TSR no Mana took night location Samani Motawana.
They all Butanai, Bini Bihino Butani Bungtamo?
Bin Falguna,
Bin Mamutamo?
Bin Babun Bumung Tung Asuk Simon Sugako, or Sister Simon.
Mogamantaur Camina,
Gamantakur.
Both are both PS in Pinetal Hamaka.
Takarjala PS ni Paitlan Tapeka.
Mukatamo, no Mukatamo Camlamo.
Chinamono 7 Battalion TSR ni Alpha Company, Platon Pesa. And Sinimuke, Nike Subidar Surojit.
That's when the Bini Bino, Latung Mayako.
Naituna Tanai, Kitu Naituk Mayako.
Suppose I can recommend Tani Batako.
Born in Geno Saka.
Bin Busai, Tani Bataka.
Bin Buseno Saka.
I'm on board of Bitis here.
Eh, Bung Aran, Hotan and Bishichawi, Bungoro, Saranda Kainapayu.
Ini Sarabato Rogo, Sunkanato, Mania Pro Kesha Kor Payu, Sinia Parangor, Puke Saharo, Butan Gonia Marava Bacano, Salabini Pino Tanai, to get on Kahina. Atar Korman no Sunglogi, Sunkanande staff, Ani, Saudi staff, Sosan, Sporotango, Tangakai, Azer, Tanai Busai, or Busani, Kachi Payu, they are common Tiasa Kamgano, Logana Chungono with Hanopi Shekia. Tuman kuda boni je sausarang bisa sa, ane kisah sa cikgu cendera sakai. Aman asare cung logo na hospital tu cung bono cikgu sakai kya. Aman logo ni ane main staff doktor khangka, khang aje, tancang mana abinu tu ke keserawat bagano gram ni borong ni soya tu becunga punya mani kya. Maman pera buri, bini kupalo ba, bini kupara kuda tancak, apa nak tuya tu. Ye cung jesuk mansak, taratari jesuk mansak cung cai tu be, abu ina bocini thani hospital, sini thani gari bege cung bono ti kayo, tu cung hospital tu agai sini doktor sahib doktor nurse dokbo, jesuk mansak bono সাহায্য খাইকা এবং সুমানসাক অরজ প্রাইমারি ট্রিটমেন্ট খাই जों ताबुनो जों जिगो देखो रहका
बो हॉस्पिटल तुमान सराबो
अब जों तुमान के तागाजला सेसियो जों तुमान ताबो जों बुसाइनबो जों अलरेडी चिनि कासि दङ जों एसपाल जों जुदि केस रेजिस्टार खाइनाय खाइ चिनि जे खाइना दङ एसपाल लेगाल जों
जेतानानि बुमु बिलमु ताम
जेताना बुं खाइ फाल्गुना देबरमा ताके भगवान बुं खाइ निरंजन देबरमा पाराखाइ उजन गने मारा चंद्रहरि पारा ए बिहिनि मुंखाइ जेतान जानै बुरि मुंखाइ चिथि देबरमा बयस बिनखाइ 24
एमने बोबा हेरो के ngना सरमनो खसखदेबा
हा
बोबा के ताना के बिसिनि कोरो अपरक जे नक रका
कि चेनि नाइ दङ जाय बुसाइनि जे बक्तब्य खाइ बर কয়েক মাস জরিনো বড় কেরং কারং সংসারও বড় মিলিয়া বলাই মানি রক টং টং এ তিনি বুকনুইনো বড় এই মুয়া ফাইনি থালাই যাও থামান পরে আর হয়তো বা কক বাংলাই খানা গে মুয়া ফাইমানা দাবাইনো বিভিন্ন বর্তান কাইনি চুমন মানখাইনা
사르는 게뭐 베스니
आं तागाजो थाना ओसी तागाजो थाना चिन अरनि स्थानीय थाना न थाना ओसी
루기니 컨디션 뭐 바해랑 나타부
आबक तो रुगी तो कक तो सेमिया सिरियस तो हाइपन अचुं चाइ तंगनाय जे सुमानसक बनो गाहाम ट्रिटमेंट देइ बनो थमन
But according to the police, it is believed that this incident is mainly based on marital problems. Reported by Ashish from Takarjala, Chini Khorang.